Hey, how's it going today, guys? My name is Sean McMahon, coming to you from Colton RV inside of our service facility. Today we are super excited to announce that we have partnered with Grech Motors for their new RV line. Let me introduce to you guys their Class B, the Grech Strada. This coach is going to come with two different floor plans. Right now we're going to be checking out more of the couples coach for it, but they do also have a four-seater that we will be showing you at a later time. But just to get it started, we're going to dive in a little bit more in depth later down the road, but we really just want to get you welcome to the product. So let's take a look around the coach. When it comes to the Gretch RV, what they're trying to do here, they originally started off with doing luxury tour buses. If you've ever been to Vegas, maybe you've ridden on one of their coaches before. 37 years of luxury motor building experience has gone into introducing it to the Class B line. So what Gretch RV is trying to do here is bring a new level of standard to the RV industry, and they're not going to be sacrificing anything as far as fit and finishing, quality craftsmanship, and just the best that the industry has to provide for you. One of the more impressive things that you'll find on this coach, you've got this huge power awning that runs the entire length of it with LED light strips across the one side, and then you've also got them along the RV, so your campsite's going to be very well lit. As far as your storage is concerned, much like all the other Class Bs that you're seeing out there with the Mercedes-Benz, they're going to give you this huge cargo area in the back. We still haven't fully unboxed this coach just yet, but just to give you an idea what we're working with, you've got your carpet that floats right over, little table underneath. And so just a little bit of a cubby down below here so you can kind of stuff any tools or anything else, but you've got about 1.5 feet, almost 2 feet of storage in the back here, so any suitcases, golf clubs, any kind of luggage for your day trips, you're going to be well equipped for it. Also on the back of the coach, it does have a little hitch cover on the back, so if you do want to tow anything behind it, get any kind of cargo carriers or even a small car you could get behind this thing. But what we really love about this thing now, what you normally see on Class Bs all over the place is that they've got cuts, they've got holes, they've got water lines, electrical lines, all of this messy stuff that goes around the outside of the coach. Grech has taken it one step further, and they've integrated this wet bay and your electrical into one convenient panel that just integrates into the side paneling of the coach. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Keeps under lock and key that comes with your coach. You can lock this thing up, but as you can see from the outside, it just naturally integrates itself to the rest of it. Really important to note that this is a macerator system on this coach. So down below, see if we can get our camera inside. You'll see that you have a power retractable macerator pump down below, so it makes dumping your tanks that much easier when it comes time to having the funnest part of the RV. So with this being on the Mercedes-Benz, of course it's going to be a diesel. Your fuel station is right here from the driver's side door. Just wait till we get to the inside of this coach though, guys. I think you're going to be thoroughly impressed. This is by far and large one of the more impressive Class Bs that we've gotten to work with here at Colton so far. I'm sure, as you'd also expect, it does have the power slide door on the side of the coach here. You can control that from the key fob, or there's also a couple of different buttons inside the coach so you can easily get the door open, get your equipment in and out. Just makes life a breeze. Let's go on in. Woohoo! Yeah, so getting on into the inside of this thing. So one of the first things you're going to notice, I mean, this thing is luxurious. I mean, the quality, the craftsmanship, oh man, I mean, just the amount of storage space that they find inside of this coach. So many nice cabinets on the inside. And with this floor plan specifically, because we don't have the jump seats over here, you're going to have a large 12-volt refrigerator. That's actually already cold, and we've only had this thing on for a few minutes now. Down below, a little freezer chest. And if you thought they didn't give you enough, ice cube tray. How cool is that? Pun intended. So in the back of the coach, you'll, like a lot of the other vans are doing, you know, you got to work with the space that you're given. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seat belts in the back of the coach, along with the 2 that are in the very front as well. Really nice thing they did too. So they use the Firefly multiplex wiring system, which is basically multiplex. What it's going to come with, it does have a companion app you can download onto your smartphone, so you can really control this coach from your phone. The seats in the back are used from the control station. Just a push of a button and it's going to converge this whole entire place into a king-size bed. Also in the very back though, another really huge storage compartment up top. This is definitely going to be the prime location for everything you need. Then we also have our window covers so that you can black everything out in the very front when it's time to turn down and go to bed. Your little pole that, I mean, look at this. I mean, this is actually something I just noticed here. I mean, look at how smart the design is on this coach. A little spot for you to actually put the pole itself so it's not rolling around and smacking into stuff while you're going in transit. Locks into place just like so. I mean, I really can't get over how impressive the storage is here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of have to move and groove. It's two of us in here, but I wanna show you guys the bathroom. Should be able to open that up just so. Go ahead and check that out. So now for this thing here, all LED lights, fully encased fiberglass shower, has a retractable clothesline across the right side, which goes all the way. So if you've got your, maybe your swimming trunks from the day at the beach, want to hang everything up and you don't want wet clothes laying around, you're good there. And even this small ceramic toilet. Everything that you could possibly need in one convenient location. If my cameraman wants to step back here, one other system I really want to talk about too, there's another panel I want to show you. So this coach is going to utilize what's called the Timberline system. So this is basically, so if you are going down the road, it'll use the diesel from the coach itself to rapidly heat up the hot water. Basically, it's just on-demand hot water and it's continuous, which is a huge thing for all of you that are at home watching. A couple of different systems you can go through. Sleep mode, you can set the timer, how long you want everything to last for. And even at the very end, it has all the information. So if there's anything you need to find out additionally, all of the specs are listed inside of this. But overall, a really impressive system. And I do promise we're going to do a lot more of an in-depth look at it, but we really just wanted to welcome the product to the Colton RV family. This is a really impressive B-van. Aside from that, guys, don't have too much more to cover on this coach for today. Again, we will do a little bit more in-depth tour with both floor plans. Just wanted to welcome Gretch RV to Colton RV. We're just super excited to have you. We'll see you at the next one.